How's it going, everyone? We're here at the Pūr-Speed warehouse here in Kent, Ohio. We're going to go over today on this 12-inch Extreme model how to replace the battery. Pull the battery out, go through all the step-by-step process of removing the controller and sliding the battery out to be able to replace it. This one is set up with the cover here, and it's two separate covers. Some of the other models are going to have a two-piece bigger cover. It splits apart this way, and it's going to be kind of mounted like this. In order to remove one of these, you're going to have to pull the foot pegs off of the current bike that has this setup on it. This one's not set up that way, so we don't have to pull the pegs or anything. Let's get rolling. First, we're going to start off by removing, you got two screws on either side for this top cover here. And these are just basic Phillips screws. And pull that cover off. Some of the bikes will have another screw here. This bike does not. This cover pops off. Some of them you'll have to remove this screw to be able to pop this off and pull the battery out. So this cover, you pop it off front first. It comes out of the way. So this here goes to your motor in the hub. It's got two arrows on it. Make sure when you're plugging it back in, those arrows line up. So we're going to unplug that. This is your battery wire. Go ahead and unplug that. And then you can slide the controller up and out of the way. There's also another smaller wire that is your charging port. You're going to unplug that. And it's just a small little red connector here. And then the battery itself, it's got a ribbon on it to be able to get a hold of it, and you just pull it and slide it all the way out. Now that we have the battery out, say this is our new battery, we're going to put it back in. The battery's kind of triangular shaped. Make sure that your throttle cable, it runs down this tube. Make sure it is on, if you're looking down in it, the left side. So it's going to be on obviously the throttle side. It'll match up to the throttle side of the handlebars. So make sure it's on that same side, and the wire is tucked on that side in this tube, so that the battery will slide in easy and not bind up. And if you need to tug on it a little bit, try not to unhook the connector, but you can kind of pull it and get it lined up where you need it to be. And go ahead and slide the battery back in. We're going to hook our red charging port connector back up. And then our controller box, we're going to go ahead and hook the battery back up. Get your box settled back in. And then hook your motor wires back up. Like I said, they do have an arrow on them. Make sure the arrows line up when you plug them back in. And then put your cover back on. And then put your top cover back on. That holds it down in. So yeah, that's how to pull out the battery and reinstall a battery. If you ever need a replacement one, please go to the website. We have plenty of replacement parts. If you have any questions on the install, please watch our videos. See you guys next time.